In today's video, I will show you how download and play Kart 64 on PC. Firstly, go to Google and search for Kart 64 and click on itch.io link. I will leave this link in description. In this website, we have all the information about the game, video game description, features, and controls. Scroll down until you see download button. Right now, this game is not available for Mac users. Click on download button for your operation system. It will start download process. After downloading, you need to locate downloaded file, and using WinRAR or any other extraction app, just extract files. If you don't have extract options by right-clicking on File, just go and download WinRAR app, it's free. Now when folder is extracted, you can go into it and double-click on Game Launcher file. And that's it, game is starting. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.